Alright guys, today we're going to show you guys a 4x4 conversion done by an aftermarket shop and one done with all Nissan components. So the company that did this 4x4 conversion decided to use a less expensive 4x4 transfer case. You can see that Chevy transfer case as well as the adapter plate to the back of the Nissan transmission. And then you can also see how smaller the front driveline is from your differential to your transfer case. And then you can see also they had to do a hole on the floor to run the manual shifter for the transfer case to go in and out of gear. You can see the big old hole on your brand new Nissan NV van. And then right here we have a cut subframe to make the one-piece driveline fit on this 4x4 conversion. They actually use less expensive parts. Alright guys, now we're standing under the all Nissan parts 4x4 conversion done by Tim Dahle Nissan Southtowne. So right here we have a transfer case out of a Titan XD, which is a heavier duty transfer case, as well as the front differential. And as you can see as well, we have the front driveline out of a Titan XD with axles. The pretty cool thing about this setup is that it's fully automatic. You can be driving and switch in and out of four-wheel drive on the fly. You guys, as well as you can see, we don't cut this back subframe as well. You can see we use a Nissan driveline for whatever you're towing, whatever you're doing, which is a heavier duty driveline. There is also no hole on the floor, which it could do some pretty bad damage if you have a big hole under your floor during winter and stuff like that. So this is it's a little bit more expensive for this 4x4 setup, but it's well worth it with all brand new 100% Nissan parts. Now we're gonna compare the interiors of how the aftermarket one with the hole on the floor works and how the light turns on when you're in 4 high. As well, I don't know if you can see, but there is where they drilled the hole on the floor for the shifter on the manual transfer case for the Chevy transfer case. And right here we have the indicator that tells you if you're in 4 high or you're not in or out. So let me show you what the difference between ours is. Now I'm going to show you with the all Nissan parts.
Okay, go.
Alright, now here we have the actual 4x4 switch that switches in and out on the fly while driving without having to stop or do any of that, or without having to find a gear to go into 4 high or 4 low with the manual shifter. So, and as well, you can see up on the cluster as well how our 4x4 light will come on and off when you're in 4x4, and when you're out of it, it'll turn right off. And it actually tells you on the actual cluster. So that is the difference between an aftermarket and an all Nissan parts 4x4 conversion van. All right, guys.